MIS within Amazon. We see our customers as invited guests to a party, and we are the hosts. It's our job every day to make every important aspect of the customer experience a little bit better. This is a quotation by Jeff Bezos, Amazon's founder and CEO. I think this quote says a lot about the company as a whole. It is clear that Amazon has made it a part of their vision and their core values to focus on customer service and pleasing the consumers ahead of making profit. And this is one of the things that has driven to their success. Amazon is a mega company that has paved the way for e-commerce and has forever changed the industry. It is without a doubt that Amazon has wiped away its competition and is now a market leader in the e-commerce industry. This is largely due to their innovation and dedication to customer service. Amazon wouldn't be where it is today if it was not for its use of exceptional management information systems. Not only does Amazon have a retail website, they also started up Amazon Web Services and sell cloud computing. They started out finding ways to build and improve their own e-commerce structure and came up with a very successful product, and then decided to sell it to the public because they realized that it would be very useful for other e-commerce websites as well. Amazon.com is the largest online retail company and has over $5 billion in sales and 35 million customers. It is one of the biggest companies in the world today. The company didn't originally start as a huge retail service for everyday items. Originally, it came into business in 1995 and started out as a retailer of books due to the unique experience the internet could offer for book lovers. This could be how the start of the Amazon Kindle and how that came to be so popular. This gave customers the convenience of browsing through millions of books in a single sitting and then have the books chosen to be delivered to their door within a few days. Since Amazon started, they have drastically expanded their product offerings and now offer almost everything you could think of, from tennis rackets to jewelry and even live lobsters from Maine. The basis of their success relies primarily on the implementation of management information systems to run their business, as well as in combination with their strategic management plan. They have fine-tuned their e-strategy by means of keeping their website systems unique and separate from that of its order systems. They do not offer only retail, but Amazon also created another service where they sell cloud computing services. This has likely enabled them to innovate within their own company and achieve great success through MIS. MIS help organize and its systems to integrate in an effective and efficient manner to bring out synergy between the interactions of people as well as information systems. The two technologies driving the growth of Amazon has been the integration of customer relationship management and information management to their overall business strategy. The core strength behind Amazon's technology is Linux. Their IT and infrastructure of the organization was built so it could handle queries, as well as more than 1 million operations and issue a large volume of sellers. They have been challenged with the task of securing debit and credit information for more than thousands of customers a day, and yet they have succeeded without much problem. Now I have a short video explaining how Amazon works.
Imagine if you could get a new shirt from Amazon faster than you could get a pizza delivered. Or maybe a TV. How about something even bigger? What would it take to make that happen? New warehouses? Faster shipping? Probably even more than that, right? At Amazon Supply Chain Optimization Technologies, or SCOT, our innovations get customers the products they want at the right price faster than anyone else. How? We're analyzing data from millions of customer orders and deliveries, billions of clicks, taps, and swipes in over 185 countries. Big data that lets us create predictive models to discover what products our customers will want, develop intelligent systems to select the best suppliers for every product Amazon carries, and automatically order new products based on our forecasts, pinpoint the best location for our next warehouse, and even optimize our warehouses to more efficiently store products. All this means that when you buy a product on Amazon, we can make a clear promise about when you will get it and follow through on that promise. Let's be clear, building something like this is a big deal. To make it happen, we use every computer science tool and every data science technique available, and we're even creating new ones. Put simply, we're innovating to build things that don't exist every single day. So, what's next for Amazon? Well, that's where you come in. We need smart people to take on these challenges. Think you're up for it? Join us.
One of the greatest successes Amazon has been through data mining. Data mining is storing personalized information and purchasing trends of its customers, which is integrated with the marketing and advertising campaigns of the organization. This has given each customer a customized shopping experience based on their interests. If you've shopped on Amazon before, you have probably seen a virtual section stating that customer who has bought this product have also bought so-and-so. These phrases enhance retention rates of the customers and has also provoked a sense of belongingness with customers. It has thus invariably led to the ease of consumers feeling understood, quickly finding products they love, and in turn purchasing more items. They evolved from a single-level sales strategy to a multi-level e-commerce strategy, allowing customers to sell and buy products using Amazon as a platform, relying heavily on customer reviews. Customer reviews are very important as well because it gives a sense of reliability to the customers. When you're looking for a product, it is much more, I know for me, for example, I always go by the reviews, and if a lot of people have said it's good or how many stars it has, this makes me feel like I'm buying a good product and I have more trust in it.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the
Sorry about that. So, Amazon has developed two main systems that Amazon.com has developed for their business system. First one is Amazon Web Services, and the second one is the S3. The Amazon Web Services provides developers with direct access to Amazon's tech platform. AWS has released a variety of web services allowing businesses to build their web applications in a reliable, scalable, and cost-effective manner. Their other business system, the Amazon S3, is designed to make web-scale computing easier by providing a web service interface that can be used to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. The Amazon S3 has many functions. It is able to write, read, and delete objects containing from 1 byte to 5 gigabytes of data each. The number of objects that can be stored is unlimited, and each object is stored through a unique developer-assigned key. Authentication mechanism is provided to make sure the data is secure. Objects are able to be made private or public, and rights can be granted to specific users. The S3 is renowned as being one of the world's largest data warehouses used to create web features. It is also built to minimize fraud and measure the personalization of their customer service. The system designed to prevent fraud is known as the SAS. Amazon believes in creating investments in their own information systems in order to create value and increase profitability. Their main framework is developed based on SOA, which is an abbreviation for Service-Oriented Architecture. That concludes to the end of my presentation, but to summarize, as I stated, what's unique about Amazon is their way to implement MIS along with their management plan to put customers first. And uniquely is that the products that it developed for itself and what has really made them grow, they turned that into a separate business and began to sell their own platforms and their own IT that they created to other people and other users. And it is now considered one of the best out there and really a framework for a lot of other MIS structures.